Today, we reached the milestone of producing 1,000 T150 turbojet engines, designed by Destinus, produced in-house here in Europe. This engine powers the Destinus Router cruise missile family. This matters because propulsion is one of the key bottlenecks in scalable cruise strike production. Without reliable engine production, there is no missile production at scale. And without production at scale, Europe cannot sustain the defense capability it needs. That is why we built the capability from scratch in-house, from design through tooling, testing, and quality control. A lot of people in the defense industry talk about scaling production. What you see here is what scaling actually looks like. A European production line delivering engines at a rate that can support thousands of missile systems a year. Producing one engine is engineering. Producing 1,000 is industrial capability. That is what this milestone means for Destinus and for Europe.